I want to show you in a quick little video a few of the pages that I haven't done a walkthrough in my art journal, in my sketchbook. Some are part of a video, some are just me cleaning the brushes, some are in my videos. I try to make something for each season. And it seems like I'm going to have to repair this little corner. If you close your art journal before everything is dried, you risk it to ruin your paints, sometimes both pages. But this one, at least, is an easy fix. These are for winter. These are Frida inspired. Not necessarily a season, but it's kind of summerish. A rainy day. These are the super fun to make neurographic lines. And these fish are amazing. I love them so much. Super simple and a lot of fun to make. This one was inspired by Picasso. I love it. More winter. Summer. As you see, I don't follow any particular order. I just open a page and start painting. This was only pink colors. This, I was trying to use all my music paper for collage and butterflies. And it's fun to leave some outside of the page. Although, if you're not careful, they get bent backwards or something. The lemons. I absolutely love this page. And this is one like, I started like this one. Just bunch of random stains, and then you paint something over. This owl, I painted the acrylic paints in here and used the same colors to make this page. I don't consider this one done. It's more like a frame for, at some point, making a different page type of art in there. This is one of my favorite pages, and this is one of my most recent. More neurographic lines, and I love how the acrylic paint with the iridescence shines. This is the same thing. I was staining a page, then I painted a face, and I left the remainings of the colors on here, over here. At one point I will make another subject, another type of a face or something. This also, I made a bunch of marks and everything, and I transformed this page into a flower vase. And I'm sure this one is also going to be some type of a flower motif. These are fun. Sometimes I just leave them like this because they look so great with the color combinations, and I don't feel that it needs much more of anything. This is hearts with gold. This was another page with hearts. This was a lot of fun to make. And later on I just added extra color. And at this point I still consider them done because they are so refreshing and full of energy. I like them like that. This is jelly prints collaged into the paper, into the art journal. Super cute. This is a mermaid. I'm going to say this is one of those pages that sooner or later I'm going to change the background, because although at the point where I finished this page I liked it, when every time I see it again I don't like it that much. So I'm going to go with some aqua or some other bluish color. And here, this was just a fun test. I like it a lot. More Frida inspired. This one is eating a donut. And I love making gnomes. This was for Valentine's Day. I need to make another one soon. This page is still open for discussion. This was some type of a spring thing. And I made this one in a different direction. I'm not so sure I like it in that direction because I think I like it better when everything is aiming in the same direction, but for now it's fine. And more gnomes. These were for fall and winter. Spring flowers. More flowers but with faces and crazy hair color. A teddy bear. And at some point I'm going to add something to this other page. I just don't know what yet. This was Halloween. This one was probably bad hair day. The hair is going everywhere. And I love painting pumpkins and all kinds of stuff. This is mostly acrylic paint, although I have some collage and mixed media or some other somethings. Like this is just collage paper. And in here I was just cleaning the brush. In here I was testing one of the stamps I carved, and then I put a face into one of them. Fairies. And this was some type of I actually didn't finish it. It was going to be some type of a stone monument or something, but I'm not feeling it anymore. I will go ahead and add different layers of something else. I like this one that is all discombobulated. The strawberries. I have several fruit pages that I painted, and it is so much fun. I don't know what fruit I'm going to do in this one. Probably a pineapple, maybe a mango. I don't know at this point. More faces. More frames or pages ready to add something to them. Different skin tones. Half finished faces. This one has, I think it's washi tape. So if you ever feel like just sitting down and paint a little bit, you don't have to finish the whole thing. You can just leave it for next day or whenever. Like this one, it's been waiting for a long time, but it is okay to just do what 15 minutes or 30 minutes time for me time that you might have. Just do whatever you can and then go back to it whenever you feel like it. I like this one a lot. Closed eyes. When possible, exercise doing different types of faces and expressions. I just finished the 29 Faces Challenge, and it is always fun to see so much art and so much styles and levels of experience. It's so much fun. This I accidentally left black and white, and I just love it the way it is. I don't think I will ever add anything to it because I love it. Flowers and lots of texture. Let me know in the comments if you can figure out what I use to make these shapes. Try to guess. I used to make a lot of these curly cute little leaves. This is probably 10 years old or something. I should paint more leaves. I have so much fun painting them. This is scribbles on gesso. I hope you can see it. I want to add a wash of color, but as of yet, I have not done it. I don't know if you have seen this. I made it in a video, and I need to finish this one, or actually start it. I just made a sketch and I never did anything else to it. This one with the black kitty. Remember when there was a duck in a pond with a number in the little leg and nobody knew where it came from, and it was super colorful and it was all over the news? More little leaves. A napkin collage into the page. And these beautiful butterflies with shimmery paint. This was done in my mom's honor. She liked butterflies. Cleaning the brayer with a beautiful color. I'm tempted to add a moon right in the corner, so I might do that. I made some swatches in here in a page with lots of texture. Look at this. I love it. Then I painted a dog. Somewhere in the channel I have this as a video if you want to find it. I had a lot of fun painting it. Same for this. This is one of those that I collaged, I stained, I brayered. Later on I came and added a layer of blue, and feels finished to a point. What do you think? this has some glimmer. It was a kind of purplish over a very serious green, and it looks pretty. I still need to add highlights to her face. And this, I don't even know where it's gonna go, but it's one of those pages that I will be adding to it and finish it at some point. This is hand-carved stamp. Some stamps I have purchased. This one I made myself as well. And I just test them somewhere. And eventually it remains like that, or it turns into a page. I think this is the first page. If you're new here, subscribe for more art journals, sketchbook art, and lots of acrylic paint videos. Watch the next playlist in your screen or check the pinned comment.